What if I told you that the reason your lead are not converting right now, it has nothing to do with your ad creative, your targeting, or even your budget? The real problem starts from when somebody see your ad. It starts with exactly what you are offering them. And after generating over 350,000 quality lead and pulling in over 100 million naira on Facebook ad, I have actually seen the kind of lead magnet that performs so good. And I can tell you that one of the things that separates lead advert that works from the one that burn money is the type of lead magnet you are offering. Most of my adverts offer lead magnets that are so good the potential audience will feel very stupid to say no. And that is why today I am breaking down the 9 high converting lead magnets that works like crazy. I've tested this in different industry, real estate, coaching call, Facebook ad, digital marketing, e-commerce, whatever niche you are. I am going to show you the type of lead magnet you need to start using right now to get fantastic results with your lead generation ad. And let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first one is a live training, and there's a reason I called it the fourth one, because you see, when people have this feeling that they are getting a training live, there's a kind of feeling that they have that they don't get with any other lead magnet. By the way, when I mention lead magnet, don't always think about, oh, it's about giving something free. No, your lead magnet can be a paid offer. There is something called a low ticket paid offer, and it doesn't matter the industry you are in. It can be a $5 product, it can be a 5,000 naira product, or you can convert, just within $5 to $10 in your local currency. That can be your lead magnet. The purpose of lead magnet is to bring in a lot of potential customers at the upfront. You want them thousands of them to take that offer, so that when you start upselling the high ticket or medium ticket, you can actually know that a lot of people that got that low ticket are going to also get the high ticket offer from you. Why? Because if you deliver on the lead magnet and the offer was so good, they are going to naturally trust you, and whatever you are offering them again, they are going to buy. However, if you lead with that high ticket, you are not going to attract a lot of people, because so many people are afraid to spend huge amounts of money when they are meeting you for the first time, especially when they have not done any business with you. Okay, so lead magnet can be a free training, it can be also a paid training. So we'll talk about live training. This is where you host a live training and you say this training is going to happen at a particular date. However, if you register now, on that day you are going to be getting a live training link so that you can join and stream it live. I have done this over time, and I can tell you that it beats any other type of lead magnet. The only problem now is that this will require your time, because on the day of the training you are going to come live, you are going to do the training. But if you don't like this, that is why there is also another type of lead magnet. And the second one here is a recorded video. What I'm doing now is me recording a video, and at the end of the day I can decide to offer this as a lead magnet. I can tell people, oh, I have done a training that will show you 9 high converting lead magnets you can use. If you want to access it, you have to register maybe on my website, maybe on Google form or something. You have to fill in your detail, your name, your phone number, your email, and once you register, I'm going to send you the link to that video. So this is where you record the training, but you don't make it public. You only give the link to people who have registered, or to people who have paid you that low ticket offer that you are promoting, if you choose to actually sell it. So it's a recorded video, and there are easy way you can do this. Like this video now, I'm actually recording this video on Zoom, but there's a lot of screen recorder you can use. I use Canva to design my template and slide. It's a very easy process. And then you can use even Telegram can also record. Even Canva can also record your screen. Even Zoom can record your screen. OBS Studio, there are a lot of free softwares you can use. Just do your field research and you are good to go. Overall, don't waste time on this. Use Canva to design your template or your slide. It can just be, you can see this is just a red font in a white background. You don't have to make it complicated, because that does not really determine whether people will buy or not. You want to channel your energy in marketing that particular video instead of channeling a lot of energy producing it. It's so easy to do. Even the content in the video can be churned out by AI. You must not even be the one to design or craft the content, AI can help you build that particular content. Okay, so the third one here is email series training. There was a time last year that I wanted to get a training. The name of that training was 33 brand secrets in 33 days. So the trainer told me that for me to get that training, I have to register, fill in my email so that they can be sending me one of those branding secrets every day. It's going to last for 33 days. So that was his own lead magnet. He wanted to use email series training, whereby he divided training into 33 parts. Every single day he sends you one of those training. So at the end of the day, you might decide to read it, maybe learn from it. But that's exactly how email series training work. And you must not do 33. You can do a 5-day email series training. You can do a 7 days email series training, whereby every single day, for example, I can decide I'm going to show you 7 Facebook ad secrets that will drastically increase your conversion in 2026. But for you to get that training, you have to register, and every day I'm going to send you one of those secrets in your email. At the end of the 7th day, the best thing for you to do is to pitch in your upsell. Okay, if you sold this training as a low ticket, at the end of the 7th day, you pitch in your upsell. If you gave this training for free, at the end of the 7th day, you pitch in something that they can pay you money for. Okay, so it depends on which one you want to use. However, these days, I actually think using more of a paid offer will help you. Although you still doing it for free can still work. I mean, this video I'm recording, you're watching now, is a free training, so there's absolutely nothing wrong with doing a free training. Okay, so the another one here is access to a community. I have a WhatsApp group now where, for people to get the value that I promise in that group, they have to join the group. As they are joining the group, they don't have an idea that what I'm actually doing there is I'm generating lead for a subsequent offer that I plan to promote in the future. So for them, they are joining the group because they want to get the benefit that I promised them. But for me, I am using it as a lead generation tool. So you can also use that for yourself. Even though this is not rampant, most people don't use it, but I have found out that it's also another perfect way to generate lead. Because for them, they don't even know that we are generating them as lead. For them, they are just coming, oh, I want to get this value you promise, I want to get this value you promise. But they have been in the group and I'm following them up. From time to time, I'll start pitching them the offer and all of that. Okay. The next one here is quiz or assignments. Have you ever seen an online quiz funnel whereby you have to go through a series of questions, and at the end of the day, they qualify you? If you are qualified, you are going to see a form to fill. If you are not qualified, they will tell you, oh, sorry, we can't work together right now. Or they can even offer you something else that fits in based on the answers you have provided. So this is also another lead generation magnet that you can use for yourself. Okay. The next one here is an ebook. Everybody knows what an ebook is. In fact, I saw a message yesterday. Somebody said that you can actually write an ebook in one day, edit it in one day, and actually start selling it that day. AI has made a lot of things easy for us. So ebook is another lead generation magnet that you can use. Okay. How does it work? You can write an ebook, use Google Doc to write it, or you can even tell AI to turn it an ebook. Like there is a lot of method you can use. Upload it on Google Drive or upload it in any place you want to upload it. And when people actually pay, or maybe if you are offering it for free, when people register or join your community, you give them link to that ebook. So they don't get that link until they have become your lead. So in this case, we are using ebook as a lead magnet. By the way, I have a series of clients I am promoting their ebook for. Some of them are selling it low ticket. Most of them are actually selling it low ticket. But people are buying it. And that made me realize, oh, people are still buying ebook in 2026. Even though the information there might still be, what is online and all of that, but people are still buying ebook in 2026. So you can decide to package an ebook and really sell it. People will buy it, or you can decide to offer it for free for exchange of contact detail. However you choose to do it, you are using it to generate lead. Okay, remember what I said? A lead magnet must not be free. In fact, I have several low ticket offer I'm promoting now. The goal of that offer is not even to make profit. The goal of that offer is to make sure that I keep on making money that I'm spending on ad every day back. So if I'm spending 30,000 naira per day, I have to be sure that that 30,000 naira is probably coming back, so that at the end of the day I didn't spend money. That's literally how it means. I didn't spend money because the money I spent came back to me. Then tomorrow I put in another money again. I didn't spend money that day because the money I spent still came back to me. But guess what I now have is a series of potential customers in my funnel, in my lead, in my community who can buy. So when you keep on doing that over and over again, a time will come when you have so many potential customers, and a lot of people will actually buy from you if you keep on providing value, following them up. That's in fact that's one of the things I have done in the past 5 years. I just keep on pulling lead in my community. Yeah, some of them may leave, but I don't pay attention to people that leave. I rather pay attention to more people that I'm getting. And guess what? If somebody leave your community, the person have at least heard about your brand. That's a plus. The person have at least come in contact with your brand, experience your brand. That the person left your community or your group doesn't mean that when they see you next time, you are still a stranger to them. No, they left your community probably because they are in so many groups. They don't want their phone being clustered with messages. There are several reasons people leave. So but it doesn't mean that they have left your business. Next time they see your video, they already know who you are. You see, the goal of this is to actually make sure that we are not appearing as a stranger. Next time they see your video, oh, I know this person. Okay, this person is promoting this. Let me actually buy it because I've come in contact with their brand. Even though they are no longer in my community, that's still okay. However, you may notice that if you generate 100,000 people, less than 10,000 people will end up leaving. So you still have over 90,000 people on your community. I know that I'm using large numbers, but this is how I see big things now. Some of you probably does not have your 5,000 yet, 5,000 lead, but then that's still okay. But understand that I don't pay attention to people that leave my community. I pay attention to how can I get more people to join my community. Those two things are different things. All right. So the next one here is cheat sheet. So there's something called cheat sheet. For example, if I give you a Facebook ad targeting cheat sheet, it means that it's going to contain different interests to target, different strategies that are used for targeting. It's more like an ebook, but they just turn the name as cheat sheet. Okay, maybe you might want to type what is a cheat sheet on online and research about it, but you can offer this as a lead magnet. So you just create it and you offer it. And by the way, you don't even need to create it. You can just prompt AI, Claude or ChatGPT, and tell it what you want it to do for you, and it will give you that cheat sheet. So you're just going to do a few editing and you start offering it for free. Listen, there's something that somebody said last week, and I think I agree with him. Information is everywhere, but only the intentional people are the one that goes to get it. So don't think that because information is everywhere, everybody should not have access to information. I mean, that's not true. ChatGPT has been there for over many years now, and still, people still do not have information to certain things. Okay, so information is in your phone, on your hand, but if you are not intentional, you are not going to go and get it. So for us that are intentional, our job is for us to go and get this information and then distribute it to people. And people will now start thinking, oh yeah, this person is an authority, because we have taken that burden on ourselves to distribute that information. Do you understand? So cheat sheet is another lead magnet that you can use for yourself. The next one here is template, script, or Wi-Fi. Templates is for example, if you hear something like fill in the blank template, the thing has been prepared for you. So you are just going to fill in different blank. For example, your product description, your product idea, your product price, who is meant for, the pain points of your customer. That those are what a template can do for you. That a script can be like AI prompt script. So a particular prompt that you just need to copy and paste. If it is a follow-up script, the script has already written for you, so you are going to say exactly what to say when you are following up. That's what a script means. So you can design, and I think few years ago I got a script called 99 script you can use to land your first remote client, something like that. So when you are pitching or when you are code calling or code emailing, you just pull one of those scripts and you use it. And that guy, assembled all that together and use it to generate lead. I'm sure that the person was able to get a lot of people as lead with that script. Okay. Another thing is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi can simply means you take all the collection of headlines that have worked in the past and you put them inside this Wi-Fi, so that when anybody need a headline that is working, the person can pull out one of those headline that is, these are headline that has been proven to work in the past. So you don't even have to start writing headline from scratch. You just pull one of them out and you change few things to suit what you're selling today, and you are good to go. And you can do this for headline, you can do this for ad copy, you can do this for the niche that you are in, depending on what are the materials that they need. So it's left for you to decide what are the materials that they need and you create it for them. Okay. So the last one here is waiting list. So what is a waiting list? A waiting list simply means, let's say I'm creating a Facebook ad course and I say, oh, join my waiting list. You have heard people say, join my waiting list, join my waiting list. There are going to be people that are going to be in their waiting list waiting for that product to be launched. And maybe one of the things you can do is to tell them, oh, when you join this waiting list, you're going to get 40% discount before it launches. When you join this waiting list, you're going to get so bonuses just for being on that waiting list. The bonus is not going to be available to the public. So this is how you craft something there, and you see a lot of people joining that waiting list. And like I said, you can use it to generate free lead, or you can use it to low ticket prices and use it to start generating leads. So these are the 9 powerful lead magnets that can work for you. Okay, so decide on which one you want to use. See, there are 9 of them, I know, but you don't have to start with 9 of them. In fact, I think I started with just one and I was able to get thousands of leads with one before I started exploring other ones. And I decided to show you 9 of them because when you have different choices, you really don't have any excuse now, because even if it's the one that does not need you to put in so much work, just use that one and start generating lead now. I tell people, as a Facebook advertiser, I know that as long as your business need customer to survive, you need a lead. It's a very simple thing. As long as your business need a customer to survive, except maybe you are into forex, you are into crypto, those things that you really do not need to go and get a customer before you can make money. But if you need somebody to exchange money to you, you really need thousands of leads. It's not just one lead, thousands of leads that is going to be in your community, start hearing about you. That's why you see all these influencers, you see them gathering a lot of followers. Well, to some point, those followers can actually be their lead because they are nurturing them. When they make offer, people are buying from there. I mean, yeah, they can be your lead. However, I prefer lead where I get their phone number or their email address. Okay, because social media, I mean, anybody can wake up tomorrow and their Facebook account is gone, and then you lose all the lead that you have generated. There is no backup that you have on social media. So I prefer phone number or email, because with phone number, I can decide to go on a call and call this lead. I can decide to send an SMS message. I can reach them on WhatsApp. With email address, even if my email account gets shut down, I can export the email and import it in another software, and I keep on doing my email marketing. Do you understand? So these are the 2 particular type of contact details that I love. However, the people that are still doing all this influencing thing on social media with millions of followers, they are still generating this lead, because when they make offer, people take it and they are creating content every day to build that trust. Okay, so think of anyone that you can use and start using it right away. And I will see you in the next video. By the way, you have watched about this and you are asking yourself, oh, how can I get started with this lead generation? I'll be hearing about generate lead. I know that my business need lead to survive, but I don't know how to start. Well, the good news is that I have put together a very powerful program. It is called Profitable Lead Generation Secret Training. This training is going to take you from a newbie to a complete expert in lead generation. You don't have any reason to struggle again with lead generation when you go through this program. It's going to show you exactly how to design your lead magnet, how to generate this lead with Facebook and Instagram ad, what to say to convert this lead, how to keep on upselling this lead. I mean, there are over 8 modules in that program, and I took my time to teach you all my strategies that I've been using over the past 7 years to make sales on Facebook ads. So you want to click on the link anywhere around this video or in the description, go and get that program. And I guarantee you that program is going to change your life. Over 1,000 people have taken that program in the past few years. And I tell you this, the program have really produced a lot of marketers and millionaires that the testimonials has just been absolutely amazing. So click on the link anywhere around the comment section or in the description and get that program right away. And I'm going to see you in the next video.